Okay, so ngayon, papunta na ako ng bus terminal, papunta ng Pattaya. So from here, in this area, to Pattaya, Thailand, in the main city of Bangkok, ay 3 hours raw. So papunta na ako doon, and ang pamasahe ay 120 ringgit. So ayun, sana kagabi ako pumunta doon kasi nagumastos na ako kagabi ng 300 ringgit. Kung nagpahatid ako doon, mayroon pa matitira sa akin, tapos makakapunta na ako doon sa Pattaya. But it's okay, it's part of the journey, it's a part of the vlog, and I don't have any complaint at all. I really enjoy to vlog international and motivate myself. This man in Thailand embassy always said na you should proud of yourself and motivate and move on and push yourself not to be sad, and do the things that makes you happy, and don't listen to other people if you know you have the right to complain. So yeah, ayun lang. So ito yung view dito, papunta tayong Pattaya.